What's the meaning of arrange? Arrange. Arrange.
Arrange. Arrange. The verb arrange means to put things in a particular order or sequence, typically for a specific purpose or effect. It can also refer to the act of organizing an event or a meeting, making plans or preparations, or coming to an agreement with someone. The result of arranging something is a structured and organized system that promotes efficiency, clarity, and understanding. Proper arrangements help us manage our time, resources, and relationships, and ultimately achieve our goals with greater ease and effectiveness.